Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, central Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, southwestern Escambia County in south-central Alabama, northwestern Escambia County in northwestern Florida, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Calvert to near Greenville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations include downtown Mobile, Bridges, Gaston, Tillman, Sutherland, Theodore, Chickasaw, Watsuma, Spanish Fort, Robertsdale, Creola, Locksley, Sutton, Stapleton. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for south-central and southwestern Alabama and northwestern Florida. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for south-central and southwestern Alabama and northwestern Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin, Escambia and Mobile, and Escambia, Florida. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.